Sarah the Vegan Hooper here. I know I have been MIA for a few months on YouTube, but there is a reason for my absence. I am 4 months pregnant, expecting identical twin boys. So go figure, my love of twin hoops, and I'm pregnant with twin boys. I get a kick out of that. I was very ill and bed locked, so I haven't been able to mess with my hoops, but I have so many video ideas, so definitely keep your eyes peeled on my channel. I do want to take a moment to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Even though I haven't posted a video in months, I have noticed my sub count going up, and I just wanted to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm obsessed with hula hoops, especially twin hoops, and I just want to make your twin hoop journey a little bit easier. So if you have any requests for tutorials, I'm starting to feel better, and I have a lot of ideas for videos, so just let me know, leave a comment below. If you have any questions, of course, leave it down below, and I try my best to answer everything. With that being said, today I want to show you a move that I learned from the beautiful and very talented Benjamin Barry. I learned this move at one of his workshops, and I fell absolutely in love with it. All you need to know is how to do the OCHO grip. The OCHO grip is 2 hoops in one hand, or the figure 8 grip. Both hoops are layered inside of your hand. One hoop is closer to you, which is in your thumb, and one hoop is furthest away, which is in the nook of your fingers. I will post a video down below. It is a beginner twin hoop video on how to get into the OCHO grip and how to do a few beginner 2 hoop 1 hand moves. So if you do not know how to do that, check that video out below and come back to this video and learn this fun way how to get into the OCHO grip. So anyways, if you have a set of twin hoops and you want to learn how to do this, then let's jump right in. So we are going to begin this move with 2 hoops in one hand, whatever hand you are comfortable with. On your native side, your thumb will be closest to your body. Now the hoops will not be layered on top of each other in any special way. They are just next to each other perfectly, okay? So what we want to do is swing the hoops up, okay? So we start down and we're going to swing the hoops up. This is giving us the momentum to actually do this trick to open up into OCHO grip. Now if you notice, there is one hoop that is closest to your body and is closest to your thumb, and the other hoop is closest or furthest away from you and is held by your fingers. So the hoop that is closest to you, you want to fold your thumb around. The hoop that is furthest away from you, you want to have held with your fingers. Now this is very awkward if you are a beginner hooper, but give this trick a little practice and you'll be able to get it. So you have both hoops next to each other comfortably. You're not doing any of that while you're here, but once you swing up, you will realize that you want the hoop that is closest to you, you want your thumb tucked around the hoop that is closest to you, because we are letting go of the hoop that is furthest away from you. So basically you are releasing your fingers and holding on with your thumb, which looks like this. Okay? When you swing up, you are going to let go with your fingers, and what's going to happen is the hoop that is furthest away from your body, it's going to slide to your right side if this is your right hand, okay? So it's not sliding this way, it is sliding that way to your right side, okay? So the hoop that is in front is sliding back because you let go, and you could hear the hoop sliding, so it's not like they're like this. They're actually making contact with each other the whole time, okay? So swing up, let go of your hands, let go with your fingers of the hoop that's furthest away from you. Hold on to the hoop that's closest to you with your thumb tucked around it nice and tight. The hoop will slide back, and what you want to do is when you get to here, grab the hoops, and you are now in OCHO grip. Now, of course, this takes practice. The hoops will go flying for a while, but basically it looks like this. And of course, swinging your arm up and giving it momentum definitely is the key to this trick. Okay? So basically the hoop that your thumb is holding on to, or the hoop that is closest to you, is not moving at all, okay? You might have to sort of move a little bit. At first I thought what I had to do was try to catch this hoop, but basically the hoop is going exactly where you want it to go. By swinging up, giving it momentum, letting go with your fingers, the hoop will slide back because you're pushing the hoops up. So the hoop's gonna wanna fall down. You're gonna grab both hoops into this beautiful OCHO grip, which is they're layered in your hand. And now you are in a figure 8, okay? So this is one way you could do it, like so. Or, let me try to crouch down here. You can open up into the snowman figure 8, where it's actually an 8. So instead of next to each other or side by side, they're on top of each other. And by doing that, what you want to do is, instead of swinging up here and letting go, you want to swing up a little further, like here, or you want to stay here, and while the hoop is sliding, move the hoop that your thumb is holding on to up a little further. So you can either go here, let go, and then move up, or you can go all the way up and let go. Okay, and that looks like this. Okay, so the tutorial that I have posted down below, the easiest way to teach beginner twin hoopers how to get into OCHO grip is the punch and twist. That's basically the easiest way, and I still do that all the time. But there are other ways. I've never, ever explored this until I took Benjamin Barry's twin hoop workshop, and it opened up a window for me, because opening up into that is a trick in itself, okay? So definitely give it practice and try both ways, okay? Try to do the stacked part as well and see where that takes you. So I do want to thank Benjamin Barry for teaching me this move, and I also want to thank my sponsor, Festival Treasures, for these beautiful hoops. They are on their Etsy shop. They're Mandarin Orange 5/8 27-inch hoops. They're like, they remind me of, what is that coffee that you get in the fall? Orange spice? Pumpkin spice. Doesn't it remind you of pumpkin spice? But anyways, I got 3 of these beautiful hoops. I haven't even sanded them yet. If you are interested in some hula hoops, check out Festival Treasures Etsy shop. I will post the link in the description box below. And use my code VEGANHOOPER for 10% off. Give them a follow on Instagram. They have weekly deals, and honestly, their hoops are dirt cheap. And great quality. Also, I have a new Instagram account. I have been posting there, and it is Spin Junkie. So if you want to follow me there, I would love to see you there. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for being patient with me. If you have any requests for twin hoop videos, I would love to make a tutorial for you. But if not, I do have a few things planned in the future, so definitely keep your eyes open on me. I hope you have a beautiful day. Peace, and God bless you. Mwah.